time for the facts, and hopefully this video will be filmed the right way, because I filmed a video on my main channel and it filmed slanted, so let's see how it goes. Here are 50 cool facts to make you sound smart. Abraham Lincoln was a champion wrestler and a licensed bartender. George Washington owned a whiskey distillery. More than 2% of the American population was killed during the Civil War. John Adams was the first president to live in the White House. The Leaning Tower of Pisa never stood up straight. It's believed that Alexander the Great may accidentally have been buried alive. Ancient Spartans were so rich that no one had to work. Montana has 3 times as many cows as it does people. There are reportedly no mosquitoes in Iceland. None of the Beatles could actually read music. Metallica is the only band to perform on all 7 continents. In 2016, Mozart sold more albums than Beyoncé. Prince played 27 instruments on his debut album. Gatorade was named after the University of Florida Gators. China didn't win its first Olympic medal until 1984. Tug of war used to be an Olympic sport. The average golf ball has 336 dimples. Both volleyball and basketball were invented in Massachusetts. There are over 8,000 sports played around the world. Tomatoes have more genes than humans. You can't lick your elbows, you can't tickle yourself. By the time we die, you'll have spent roughly a year sitting on the toilet. You only breathe out of one nostril at a time. It's impossible to burp in space. Thumbs have their own pulse. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. The longest hiccuping spell lasted a whopping 68 years. Wow, just imagine hiccuping for 68 years. In Russia, beer was considered a soft drink, not alcohol, until 2011. Humans wouldn't be able to taste food without saliva. Fortune telling is illegal in Maryland. The White House has 35 bathrooms. Hiking naked is illegal in Switzerland. A woodpecker's tongue is bigger than its entire head. The expression, heart of gold, was invented by Shakespeare. Elmer Fudd's original name was Egghead. Penicillin was first called mold juice. All mammals get goosebumps. A silverback gorilla could deadlift 1,800 pounds. If you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib. Some lipsticks contain fish scales. Almonds are a member of the peach family. Maine is the only state with a 1-syllable name. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. You wouldn't be able to tolerate the quietest place on earth for more than 45 minutes. The letter X was first used to represent a kiss in 1763. The longest TV ad in the world is 14 hours long. I mean, imagine this, a 14-hour long unskippable ad. Like, wow. There's a mail route in Alabama that requires a boat. Barbie's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts. And those were 50 cool facts to make you sound smart.